Hello everyone. Let's see how to calculate the monthly payment for any loan in Excel. I've created a sample data here. The first column is the total loan amount. The second column is the annual interest rate. And the third column is the period, which is in months. I've taken it for 10 years, which is 120 months. Now let's calculate the monthly payment for our loan amount. So type here equal to sign, and then we are going to use one of the Excel function, that is PMT. And here it asks for some various parameters. The first three parameters are important and the last two are optional and we can ignore them. So let's pass the first parameter. The first parameter is the interest rate. So let me select the interest rate and then divide by 12 to get the monthly rate. So divide by 12, comma, and then select the period and then the total loan amount. Close the bracket and press enter. So this gives me the monthly payment for the above loan. It usually gives a negative value because it is the amount that we need to pay at the end of the month. Now let's calculate the total amount for the period. This is nothing but monthly payment into period gives me the total amount. So in this way we can calculate the monthly payment for any loan in Excel. Now let's see how to use this PMT function in another way. And now let's click on formulas, click here, click on financial, and from the list select PMT and we'll get this dialog box. And here in each of this text box we need to pass the values as we did earlier, and also there is a definition for each of this column. So the first one is the interest rate. So let me select the interest rate and divide by 12. Next one is the period, and the next is the loan amount, and then click on OK. So this will give me the monthly payment. And if you want to remove this negative sign, what we can do is select the column, right click, and then click on format cells, then click on number, and from here let me select this one and then click on OK. So in this way we can calculate the monthly payment for any loan in Excel. Hope you like this. Thank you.